that you are looking for the portable mobile fan. I selling one right now. Are you interested?
Oh, I am interested. And can you tell me the product details?
Sure. It's a lightweight, easy to carry, have 5 speed level, and like a new condition. Is perfect for university students, especially in the winter in Thailand.
Oh, and what about the price?
The original price is 500 baht, but I offering it for 300 baht.
I think 300 baht is expensive for me. Can you discount it for 250 baht?
Alright, 250 baht is reasonable for me.
Oh, that is good deal.
Perfect, so we agree on 250 baht and free shipping for you.
Okay.
What about your item?
My item is riding party. Okay.
Can you tell me more about it?
The lion is from Africa. It's a big one or 200 kilogram. It's big, and it has a furry hair, and therefore don't bite and friendly. Yeah.
That's very cool. What is the price?
The price is 100,000 baht. It's expensive for you.
I think it's a bit high for me. Can you discount it?
Yes, I can discount it for you. I discount in 40,000 baht, and we have a quality.
If I use the Kodakun, I will get it for 40,000 baht.
Yes, you get 40,000 baht. Can you buy it?
Great, I think it's a great deal. I will buy it.
Okay. Let's buy it and we get a free bandage for you.
Okay.
Thank you for negotiating with me, and I hope you enjoy with your item.
Thank you for negotiating with me too. I hope you enjoy using the fan. Thank you.
Thank you.